Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking you for a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you some of the major talking points and features, and of course go around, take a seat inside and show you a little bit more of the in-depth interior features. The vehicle itself is a 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. It's presented in Estoril blue, and alongside that we fitted a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit to the vehicle. We've also added 20-inch 405M style alloys, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and sat against that Estoril blue really do finish this vehicle very nicely. You will see it's a 2017 17 plate along with the Angel Eye Xenon headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, it's got gloss black air breathers, the satin side vinyls and sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals, along with the sun protection glazing package on the rear windows. Making our way to have our first glance at the interior, we've got the very nicely presented, once again, black Dakota leather with the electric lumbar and the heated seat options for the front passengers and drivers. You will see there, of course, it is a 6-speed manual vehicle. We'll open up the rear door to allow you to have a look at the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and again, being the M Sport model, you get the tremendous darkened M Sport headlining, which is all in great condition, as you can see there. And we'll make our way shortly round to the rear of the vehicle, which, if you've not yet been to see one or even seen a video of a Gran Coupe, they do have a cool little party piece, being in the form of a automatic opening and closing tailgate. And that then reveals a very large boot space, and you can further enhance this by the split folding seat option as well, and everything nice and clean and tidy in there once again. You'll also see our satin rear diffuser and high gloss black rear boot spoiler. At the other side of the vehicle, again, everything nicely presented, and that Estoril blue really does work very nicely with the performance styling kit that we've added on to the exterior of the car, making an already very nice looking vehicle look that little bit extra special as well. Moving on inside, once I've taken a seat in the very comfortable Dakota leather seat, you'll see there it also has the professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'll begin by starting the car up and just running you through a couple of the features and functions of that. Starting with your multimedia, currently on screen is the DAB function. We've also got music collection, AUX inputs, DAB, which we've already mentioned, and of course the all-important Bluetooth audio along with Bluetooth telephone, as you can see there. Moving over to the navigation, which again is a really user-friendly system. Also comes equipped with real-time traffic updates on this version of the iDrive to keep you on the fastest route possible. Moving back over to the car itself, this vehicle, as you can see there, is not due a service for 12,000 miles or the date stated there on screen. In terms of service history, it has got full BMW service history right the way up to the most recent service, which was at just over 51,000, which was for a very basic oil and microfilter change. You'll see there now this vehicle's covered just over 58,000 miles. I did mention it is, of course, a 6-speed manual. We've also got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with that very nice dual climate control, which is where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information, website links, and indeed the telephone number to get in contact with us direct here at Your Next Car in the description. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully it will help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Most of all though, we do hope to see yourselves very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.